Welcome to Review Lab. The best 11 Blade Scalpel is probably one of the most versatile and precise tools available for a wide range of applications, from intricate crafting and model making to delicate surgical procedures and scientific research, making it an indispensable item for professionals and hobbyists alike who demand accuracy and control in their work. Number 5. MyMed 100 Pack Disposable Scalpel Blades. Number 11. Introducing a pack of 100 sterile disposable scalpel blades. These size 11 blades are designed for precision use. Perfect for professional dermaplaning, they serve as an excellent tool for facial treatments. Experience a new level of care. Wondering about their sharpness? For beginners, they are exceptionally sharp. Experienced users might find them suitable for precise work. Regardless of your experience level, these blades are effective when used properly. Achieve the desired results with confidence. The fine point design ensures accuracy in every use. They are crafted for detailed and delicate procedures. What we like. This pack offers an abundance of sterile blades, making it an excellent choice for those new to dermaplaning. If you are just starting out and want plenty of practice blades, this is the one for you. It ensures you have a fresh, sterile blade for each session without worrying about running out. What people say. The scalpel is sharp and precise, making clean cuts. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Comes with a protective cap for safe storage and transport. Number 4. MyMed Surgical Blades and Scalpel Handle Set. Tired of dull, unsterile blades? MyMed offers a high-quality, safe, and easy-to-use dermaplaning tool for a younger, brighter complexion and solutions to various skin concerns. Get great value with this pack of 15 sterilized number 10 scalpel blades and a metal scalpel handle. It's perfect for learning to dermaplane and performing various small aesthetic procedures. These blades are suitable for a multitude of uses, including callus removal, podiatry, dermatology, cyst removal, blackhead extraction, and even dissection practice. The sharpness of these number 10 rounded blades is perceived differently based on user experience. They are very sharp for beginners and may require a different approach for experienced professionals. Explore a ton of other uses, from mycology and electronics prototyping to taxidermy, model making, and arts and crafts. They are also ideal for biology projects and medical procedures. We are dedicated to continuous improvement, providing you with quality products at the best possible prices. Whether for skincare, dissection, or surgery practice, we have what you need. What we like. This set comes with a reusable stainless steel handle and a generous pack of sterilized blades, offering great value. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for dermaplaning and other small aesthetic procedures, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want to learn self-care at home and tackle various skin concerns. What people say. The scalpel is sharp and precise, making clean cuts. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Comes with a protective cap for safe storage and transport. Number 3. MyMed Number 11 Dermaplane Razor for Women. Discover the MyMed Number 11 Dermaplane Razor, designed specifically for women. Achieve smoother skin and perfectly shaped brows with this versatile beauty tool. This razor offers a gentle yet effective way to remove unwanted facial hair and peach fuzz. It's perfect for achieving a flawless complexion. Not just for your face, it's also an excellent eyebrow razor. Effortlessly shape and define your brows for a polished look. Experience the ease of dermaplaning at home. It helps exfoliate your skin, revealing a brighter, smoother appearance. This is your go-to tool for facial shaving and dermaplaning. Get salon-like results in the comfort of your own home. Specifically crafted for women, it ensures a comfortable and safe experience. Enjoy smoother, softer skin with every use. What we like. Specifically designed for women's facial grooming needs, this tool offers a convenient way to achieve smoother skin. If you desire a product tailored for facial dermaplaning, eyebrow shaping, and overall face shaving, this is an ideal pick. It provides a gentle yet effective solution for at-home beauty routines. What people say. The 11-blade scalpel is incredibly sharp and precise, making intricate cuts effortless. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The durable construction means it can withstand repeated sterilization and heavy-duty tasks. Number 2. 55 PCS Surgical Blades Kit with 5 handles. Introducing a comprehensive kit featuring 55 surgical blades in various sizes, along with 5 durable stainless steel handles. This set is designed for precision and versatility in your work. Each blade is crafted from high-carbon steel and sterilized using gamma radiation for your safety. They come hermetically sealed, ensuring they are ready for immediate and secure use. The kit includes anti-slip stainless steel handles, offering a more robust and comfortable grip than plastic alternatives. This design ensures safe and steady handling during intricate tasks. Perfect for a wide range of uses, from detailed art carving and leather cutting to plant cultivation and even as a dermaplaning tool. It's an essential addition for crafters and professionals alike. Blades number 10, number 11, number 12, and number 15 are perfectly suited for the number 3 handle, while the number 22 blade is designed for the number 4 handle. This ensures you have the right tool for every specific need. Please remember that these blades are extremely sharp. We strongly advise using tool pliers or surgical forceps for installation and removal to ensure your safety. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide array of blade types and multiple durable handles, ensuring you have the right tool for any task. If you are an artist, crafter, or a professional who needs versatility in blade selection, this kit is perfect for you. It offers sterile, high-carbon steel blades for precision in various applications. What people say. The scalpel is sharp and precise, making it excellent for detailed work. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Comes with a protective cap for safe storage and transport. Number 1. MyMed Mini Dermaplane Razor, Pack of 25. Discover the MyMed Mini Dermaplane Razor, designed specifically for women's facial care. Achieve a smooth, radiant complexion effortlessly. This manual shaving razor offers a gentle yet effective way to remove peach fuzz and dead skin cells. Experience a new level of smoothness after each use. Its precision design ensures safe and comfortable handling for your delicate facial skin. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This pack includes 25 razors, providing excellent value and ensuring you always have one on hand. Keep your skin looking its best without frequent replacements. Incorporate this essential tool into your beauty routine for visibly smoother and brighter skin. Reveal your natural glow with MyMed Mini. What we like. This mini dermaplane razor is designed for precise and controlled manual shaving, ideal for detailed facial grooming. If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-handle tool for targeted hair removal and exfoliation, this pack of 25 is a great choice. It's perfect for maintaining smooth skin with precision. What people say. The scalpel is sharp and precise, making intricate cuts easy. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Comes with a protective cap for safe storage and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.